So let's start with the first question. X is to the southwest of y, L is to the east of x and southeast of y, and M is to the north of L in a line with xy. In which direction of y is M located? So this is x, okay, and firstly we will make this north, south, east, west. East, west, and south. Now this is x. Now in the southwest of y, so southwest is this, okay, so here will be y. Now L is to the east of x and southeast of y, so east of x over here, basically this is east, so east of y, east of x maybe here, and southeast of y, southeast is here, so this is correct. Now M is to the north of L. M is to the north of L, so it must be here, but in a line with xy, so it cannot be here. This line it's talking about, so it will over here, basically over here, because this is a line and this is the north of the L. Now what is asked? The main question is in which direction y is M located. So this thing is the main. Now this is northeast, okay, so the answer is northeast. Let's move forward to the next question. Which of the following figure complete the given figure matrix? Now this is the figure matrix. So this is the figure matrix. So now it is asked that what is the next thing, like what will come over here. So what we have to do basically is we have to relate, like this is the full figure, then after this is like one triangle, there are two triangles, now one triangle, and after that only the circle. Now there are two circles, only one circle, only plus. So there are two squares, so there will be only one square, and this will be there. So basically what we want is this, and a square also. So this answer is in option number D. So this is the correct answer. Let's move forward to the next question. If all the vowels are removed from the series given below, then which of the following is the ninth to the right of 12th letter from the right end? So first of all, it is said that if all the vowels are removed from the given series. Now basically हमको क्या करना है, vowels को निकालना है. So basically we need all the vowels to be removed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then U, A, I, O, A again, and I again. So what are the there left is Q, F, and all the consonants are left. Now what is asked next? Then which of the following is ninth to the right of the 12th letter from the right end? So after the calculations, you can pause the video and you can take the answer. The answer of this question is option number D, which is P. Let's move forward to the next question. Refer to the given flow chart and select the correct option. So there is a table that like sources of fiber and sources of fiber in animals and in plants. Now in plants there are two branches, obtained from stem and obtained from fruit. Obtained animals is harmed and animals not harmed. Now what we have to find basically is W, X, Y, and Z. So what we have to do in this is Now we will see W first. So where is the W over here? Now what is asked? In plants obtained from stem. So where is W in option? This is W. Like there are only two options which have W. So this one and this one. Okay. Now obtained from stem. So cotton is not at all obtained from stem. It is obtained from the fruit. So it is obtained from. So it cannot be this answer. So this option is cut. Now obtained from fruit. So we want X. There are only two X, A and D. Now obtained from fruit. Flax and jute. Both are not obtained from jute. Not obtained from fruit. Sorry. So we will also cut this and this. So the correct answer is option number C. Let's move forward to the next question. Which of the following joints is present between thigh bone and shin bone? So this is a science question. So there is nothing to explain. So take your time and pause the video and choose the correct answer. So the correct answer is option number A, hinge joint. A small compass is placed beside the middle of the bar magnet. Okay. As you can see the two circles. So in which direction will the compass needle point? Now of course everyone knows that compass have the needle. So the answer is option number D. 3 glasses P, Q and R having equal amount of water were taken and equal amount of water was added to each one of them. After that P was cooled, Q was heated and R was undisturbed. Water in which glass will now taste most salty? What is asked is water in which glass will taste most salty. So there is 3 glasses P, Q and R. Okay, so let's see what is the answer. So first of all, P was cooled. Okay, so P was cooled, so that P will not be the answer. Q was heated and R was left undisturbed. So in R, if it is left undisturbed, so that the salt will have the process of sedimentation. So R cannot be the answer. So by that we can see that if R is not the answer, so D, all will take the same, cannot be the answer. Now P and Q. If P was cooled, so in that also it may sedimentate, so P cannot be the answer. So the main answer is option number B, which is Q. Let's move forward to the next question. 2 boys are standing in front of a plane mirror as shown in the given figure. If the boy Y walks 5 meters towards boy X, then how far away boy would Y appear to be in the mirror to the boy X? So as you can see that this is a boy. This is a boy and this is also a boy, X and Y. Now it is saying that both this is a mirror. Okay. Now it is asked that if boy Y, basically this boy, walks 5 meters towards boy X. It walks 5 meters towards X. So, how far away would boy Y to be in the mirror to boy X? So basically, first we'll subtract 12 minus 5. Wait. We will subtract 12 minus 5. So it will give answer 7. Now, this boy. Now, distance between them is only 7 meter. So, it is asked that how far away would the boy Y will appear to be in the mirror to boy X. So, we can see that the answer is option number C, 11 meter. Now, achiever section. Observe the given diagram carefully and fill in the blanks. There are 5 questions in achiever section. So, every question have 3 to 4 marks each. So, we have to do it very carefully. Observe the given diagram carefully and fill in the blanks. So, we have to find P, Q, R, S, T. Okay. Now, it is saying P to ice to water is P. So, ice to water, it is melting. Of course, it is not freezing because it's ice to water. And water to ice is freezing. So, S is freezing and P is melting. So, first of all, P is melting because it's ice to, so it cannot be A and it cannot be B. Now, C and D left. And water to ice is freezing. So, S should be freezing. So, C and D is all again left. Now, water to water vapor, it is evaporation. So, T is evaporation. It is not boiling. Water to steam is boiling. So, Q should be boiling. So, it is option number C. Melting, boiling, condensation, freezing and evaporation. This is the correct answer. Let's move forward to next question. This is the last question of the day. Please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more and more questions and sample papers. A balloon attached to a hollow glass tube was submerged in a container of water as shown here. Rohan placed his mouth over the open end of the glass tube and blew air into it. He observed that the water level in the container rose. Now, what have Rohan done is basically he took a container, and what he did, he put it a hollow glass tube that was submerged in the container of the glass of the water. Now, he placed his mouth over that the open end of the glass tube and blew air into it. So, what he saw that the water level in the container rose. Now, this experiment tells us that air has mass. Okay, this experiment tells us that air has mass. True. Air occupies space. Yes, that is true. Because this experiment tells us air occupies space. Because when the balloon blew up, the water level rose. So, we can see that air occupies space. Has a definite volume? No, we cannot say that air has a definite volume, and this experiment did not tell us that. And air can be compressed? No. So, only 1 and 2 are correct. So, this is option number C, 1 and 2 only. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel.